clothing with strife. One of straw and one of hay. Gotta stand their ground, gotta fight against wolves that lurk and sway. Sticks and stones won't make 'em break. Brick fortress against the wind, while shadows crest and legends wake. Determined hearts they find within. Huff and puff and blow it down. Stand tall and hold your ground. Three little warriors can't be found. When the wolves come circle around. Hands of dirt and minds of grit, sweat and toil beneath the moon. In the night they never quit, dreams of dawn arriving soon. Howling winds and whispers cold, echoes of the battles past. In their hearts they still hold the strength to make their stand last. Ash and ember trail the skies. Silent cries of phantom fears. Through the dark they'll always rise. Piggy's tales through all the years. ruling strong with an iron hand. He's the law in a lawless land. Judge